Hello there. I am Timothy Oladimeji Ojo, the missionary pastor of Faith Baptist Church, Stadium area of Ogbomoso, Oyo State, Nigeria. I'm here to excitedly invite you to our Arise Youth and Single Adult Conference for 2021. God has blessed us over the 17 years of our church existence to have a very vibrant and growing youth ministry. And many young people that have gone through our church and still going through our church have been blessed. And so this year, we are bringing a conference that will bring the youth and single adult together to arise and shine for the Lord. I know this program will be a blessing to you and to set you to receiving the promises and the plans of God for your life. The date is Friday, October 1st to Sunday, October 3rd, 2021. There will be varieties of programs. There will be preaching of the Word of God. There will be seminar on the dangers of prostitution and drug abuse on our society and our future, and many other interesting programs that will really grow you in the Lord. By the grace of God, there will be a free bus that will be situated at in front of Alatamik and Oni at Ondaji Lautek area that will convey you to the venue of the program, which is our church auditorium at Faith Baptist Church. I look forward to having you, and I pray that you will surely be blessed through this program. God bless you, and see you there. Bye.